until now wala ka pa ring Maribank na digital bank, gets kita. Kasi alam ko na nagwo-worry ka or meron kang doubts kasi digital bank ito at wala kang physical branch na pupuntahan kung sakasakaling nagkaroon ng problema. Maribank is a legit digital bank. Yes, this is BSB regulated and PDIC insured. So far, okay naman talaga yung Maribank app ko. Pero kung nakakaroon ka talaga ng problem, I suggest contact the Maribank customer service kasi sila lang talaga ang makakatulong to solve your problem. Sa lahat po na nakagamit ng referral code ko sa pag-open ng kanilang Maribank app, thank you so much po. It means so much sa pag-trust ninyo sa Maribank code ko na March26 at nakareceive po kayo ng additional reward of 175 pesos. Just make it sure lang po to hold 1,000 pesos for 3 days. Sabi sa comment section natin regarding dun sa Maribank debit card and sa GoTime debit card na pinost natin. Meron kasi tayong dalawang ganong debit card. Thank you for this helpful information po. I have these two cards and literally searching which one is best for saving and expenses. So thank you. Ayan. I hope nakatulong yung video natin regarding doon sa pinost nga natin. As of recording this video today, kay Maribank po meron na po siyang pa-time deposit up to 3.75% per annum for 3 months po yan. From 100 pesos to 1 million pwede po kayong mag-time deposit kay Maribank. And still, meron pa rin po siyang 15 times free transfer per week. Kay GoTime naman po kasi, meron po yung maiba't iba ring investment and saving goals po. Siyempre, meron pa rin po siyang pa 20 times free transfer per month naman po. Both banks are legit and makakatulong and I'm really enjoying yung dalawang bankong yon. They can actually pay your bills. Pero most of the time po talaga, ginagamit ko si Maribank po for paying my bills. Lalo na po sa credit card kasi meron po siyang 5 pesos na cashback. Well, depende na rin po kung ano po yung inyong goal and also kung anong preference ninyo at kung saan po kayo convenient na gamitin, dun po kayo. You can download Maribank and GoTime via App Store or Play Store. But when you sign up for Maribank, don't forget to refer code na March26. Just hold 1,000 pesos as your first ever deposit. You will get additional reward kay Maribank. Kay GoTime naman, baka naman GoTime. For more contents like this, follow for more.